I lost 12 kilograms weight in just 14 days, all thanks to this amazing diet routine. Millions of people around the world are trying to lose weight with no success. Most diets fail to provide results, and the variety of diets and expert recommendations can really put people off. However, there is one diet that can help. It's based on lemon and lasts for 7 days, during which you'll lose weight naturally and without side effects. Here's how the diet plan looks like. First day, squeeze a lemon in a glass of water and drink the mixture 3 times a day with meals. Second day, squeeze 2 lemons in 500 milliliters of water, drink half of the drink in the morning on an empty stomach and the other half just before dinner. Third day, repeat the process from day 1. Fourth day, repeat the process from day 2. Fifth day, squeeze a lemon into a glass of water and drink the mixture before your breakfast. We suggest eating green veggies for lunch as well as lentils and bread, but stay away from rice or potatoes. For dinner, you can have a bowl of vegetable salad and some fruit, and you should finish the day with another glass of lemon water. Sixth day, repeat the process from day 2. Seventh day, repeat the whole plan again. The first results should be noticeable within a week or 2. Continue with the diet for as long as you like, but take breaks after a couple of weeks.